Junkie gang, cool shit, bitch. I got a question for you, nigga. You want? Okay. Please tell me why you hate me. Damn, why you hate me?
She refuses to come on.
These.
I like the ones you have on. Now you've lost your phone.
You call it.
You like doing this on purpose. Ready to get this workout in?
I'm about to burp. You might not want to get the camera.
Oh my gosh, so we're squatting right now. We have 3 more sets. We're about to do some walking lunges now. Jay's going to grab the bar. Y'all, me and Jay just got to the mall. My legs are sore.
About to blow a little bag or 2.
Or 3 or 4 or 5.
6, 7, 8.
Hey, right. Jay's window shopping. Oh.
I mean, we can walk in there.
Oh, they have some cute sandals. Yeah.
These are cute.
What?
If they were taller.
Yeah, they're a little short. Yeah.
They're 15.
All the what? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So we just walked into this random store because Jay is like, oh, shoes. I think these are so cute.
They're 39.
And they're 50% off.
So extra?
Yeah. I think these are cute, y'all.
Those are cute.
Y'all, so I tried these little sandals on. They're so cute. And I can easily bring them back in my carry-on suitcase because I didn't bring like a large luggage because they're sandals and they're flat.
I want it to be like gold.
Trying to get her a new bag. So Jay just got her a bag. Are you sure you don't want to take it to your car? So you can.
I do, but I don't.
No, let's just take it to your car because like you don't want to walk around with that
really
thing.
Don't.
Okay, yeah. Jay shopping. I just want to go into Lululemon, see what new leggings they have. That's like a perfect
cute.
size. Oh, that is cute, and it's a gold chain.
Plus body chain, and it has a little clip on the inside for your card.
Oh, that's cute.
No worries.
How much is that?
I don't know.
Is it the extra mini price?
It's $8.90.
Oh.
I just don't like how like there's no zipper.
To separate, like your, because you like your put your cards.
Like just in case I do this, like something slips out. Like I don't like that.
Oh yeah.
I wish I had a zipper. Do you have one with a zipper?
Something like that with a zipper.
Yeah, y'all. So we're taking this bag back to her car. Don't think Jay's bougie like this, cause she's not.
The first time. So I had a cute bag from Guess.
Yeah.
And I spilled my whole protein shake in it. So now it's I don't want to carry that around. So I was like, well, okay, I'm grown enough. I have my own job now, so might as well just get a nice bag.
She spilled a protein shake in her bag, and she's been carrying a drawstring. She's been carrying a drawstring bag to work, and y'all saw her go to work the other day. Like, she dresses really cute and stuff, and she's been like wanting a new bag.
For a while.
Yeah, for a while, and something like, I guess more expensive, so I guess she decided to treat herself. So yeah, I'm here along for the ride, here for emotional support. She's happy with her bag. So we're gonna go put this in the car, and then we're gonna come back and walk around and just go into some other stores and shop around and all that good stuff.
I'm still on the lookout for a little purse though.
Oh yeah. Also, she wants a new little purse. Yeah. She also wants to get a new, nicer little purse, but I told her she could get something just like normal, like no brand or anything, just like nice and black or something to carry for like when she goes out and just like daily use if she doesn't want to spend crazy amounts of money today. Juju is feeling herself.
Like a little ball.
That little ponytail swinging. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. I was so scared to say hi, but hi.
Hi, good. What's up? Why are you nervous? nervous?
Oh my God, because I never thought I would see you in person. Wow, hi.
You're so tiny.
You're so tiny, oh my God.
What's your name?
Anne.
Anne?
Wow, I met Amber. Oh my God. You're so pretty.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Bye.
See ya. We're in Steve Madden now. I'm getting so sleepy. Shopping is really draining. It really makes me tired. I cannot. This is why I don't do this. This is why I do this online, because I can take breaks. And this mall is so big. We've been walking for forever. I can't. No, I do not like those. Those are really cute though. I like how the light hits them, like as they move.
So many blisters. I need a bigger size.
You need a bigger size, you said? Those are cute. Yeah, I like them a lot. Oh, you're good. What you think? I like them too. My face.
So hungry. Yeah, okay.
So hungry. Let's go get eat. We're about to leave. We're in the last store. We're in Sephora. And we're finally leaving. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to a new vlog. So this morning, me and Jay are getting ready. We're about to go to Nikki Beach and have like brunch and just hang out there for a little bit. It's my last full day here. I leave tomorrow morning. Whatever will I do? Jay's currently in the corner crying because she's so sad that I'm leaving. But yeah, so last night, so y'all know yesterday we went to the mall and stuff. Oh my gosh, I need some lip gloss on me because this is not cute. But last night, y'all know we went to the mall and stuff for yesterday. So we were in the mall forever shopping and stuff, and we were so tired after. Fell asleep after we got basically dinner and came back here. Fell asleep and we just chilled. She like cleaned up and stuff yesterday. So we didn't really get into anything last night. It's my last night, so we'll probably like do dinner or something later together, you know, just bond more and enjoy each other for the rest of the day. But yeah, right now I'm getting ready.
I can switch it every 15 minutes.
No,
DJ Juju in the mix.
girl, it's not 15 minutes, it's 15 seconds.
I mean, seconds.
About to do it old school. Come on, sit between my legs.
Is there a way that my ears don't poke all the way out?
We can always glue them down.
How? With eyelash glue?
I think after the sweat kicks in, it'll be like, has she left yet? What is she saying?
She said, I was ready.
Oh my gosh, so that like, we're going to the beach, honey. It doesn't take that long to put on a bathing suit. Like,
I be yanking everything.
I did her braids. Okay, y'all, so this is my little outfit that I'm wearing to brunch to the beach. Yeah, it's this little dress that I got from Free People. It's longer, but I just put it in this little ball just to make it like a little bit cuter and like tighter a little bit.
Hello.
This is Maria. She's so cool. I just met her. She goes to the gym with Jay, so.
I've never vlogged in my life.
Oh my gosh, so sunny.
I know.
This is Nicole.
We're about to f this food up. Stay tuned. It's all about the food.
Yes, same. I'm right here with you. I'm so happy. It's out to Nikki Beach. We're about to eat. It's like a brunch buffet. So they ordered drinks. What'd you get?
Sex on the beach.
What'd you get?
I got a little mimosa.
Y'all know I got my good old water. I finished my first plate. Good. Is it good? We're ready to go back for. Are you ready to go back? Yes. Okay. Look at her turning up.
My best life.
She said she's living her best life.
Stress free.
Stress free.
My skin in like a month is about to be glowing.
Drinking every
look cute.
I like these braids. I need to learn how to do it. Before you leave, braid my hair. Spray it down, bitch. Make them sleep so they can look like this tomorrow.
I'm glad you're having fun, Hunty. We're going to the beach now.
When I go to the club, I'm gonna wear some braids.
She's feeling it. Yo, this shade, I'm loving it.
No shade.
You
No
love
shade.
no shade.
How you gonna get my fat ass right now after I just f***ing ate?
I feel great.
I literally ate like, I think like 7 plates.
Oh my god, so dramatic. We were enjoying ourselves.
I know that food was very
It was good.
very good. Oh, you see, this is nice.
Yeah, what you said with the umbrella though? Because that's what.
Where's the umbrella?
Where the umbrella at?
I like how Maria
Fine.
said, "Well, umbrella."
I knew damn well to wear high-waisted because I knew I was gonna eat my life away.
Why did you wear high-waisted?
So, because she knew she was gonna eat a lot?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It is so nice.
It is so hot.
I haven't heard.
Me
You should
neither.
listen to it.
Is this a female?
Yeah.
I don't want to wash my hair again.
Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind.
Like, are you guys trying to leave whenever they take the?
Don't want you.
I guess, yeah.
Don't want
Yeah, you can. Yeah,
I
we
want to
can.
make a quick stop at Nikki Beach to
Oh.
get some water.
Yo, I'm about to die. Yeah, I'm waiting to see when they're gonna take them because they still haven't.
You everything I want you to do to me.
We're leaving the
We're
beach.
so exhausted.
I know.
Back.
They go my face
Amber,
right
this
now.
one's so cute.
Oh, that one is cute.
It is really cute.
That was like smushing, like peeling on my
Yeah,
heart.
if you there's something that you need to know is the sun in Miami is insanely just. This picture is so good though.
Yo, I feel disgusting. I can't wait to get back and take a shower.
Yeah, I'm just dying to like go into the shower.
How do girls get off the beach and look flawless? Cause sheesh.
Why does my head look so big? First of all, my hair is so...
It's because it's blended into the ceiling. I'm actually tired of looking at myself, as I know y'all are, because I do not look cute right now. So see you later to Maria.
See you later. Oh wait, I won't be vlogging anymore.
I know, that's what I said. It's my last night here and I'm so sad, but me and Jay are about to go to dinner and this is my little fit for the night. I'm wearing this like one shoulder, I don't know if y'all can tell, let me see. I'm wearing this like one shoulder top that I got from Tiger Mist, and then these jeans from Topshop. Super cute. I'm loving this all white fit. I actually like it more. I haven't looked in the mirror and this is my first time. But yes, I love this outfit. And we need to be leaving because 9:30 and we're supposed to be leaving at 9:30 because we have reservations for 10. Obviously, I'm gonna come back and like get all my stuff completely together. I woke up when I got up this morning, I went ahead and like repacked my suitcase very neatly and stuff, so I just have to put a couple little things in there because my flight is in the morning and Donovan's coming to pick me up and I'm excited to see him. And then yeah, it's back to the Ville. Y'all can definitely expect to see me in Miami more. It's gonna be like my second home. Y'all are gonna be like, girl, you're always in Miami. But yeah, girl, come on, 9:32. Are you hungry?
Starving.
Trying to hurry. But yeah, I forgot to show y'all the first nice bag Jay's ever bought herself. This is the one she got. So she wanted it to be like a little bit different than like the one that everybody has. I don't know the name. We just got to Santorini to eat. Santorini's. So we have some fries. Now we're just waiting for our calamari to come out as our little appetizer. We got our calamari. Jay got her salmon.
Don't be picking my nose.
I'm gonna edit it out. Are you gonna keep doing it? Jay got her salmon and I got some type of shrimp something. I don't know. Good morning, y'all. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning right now and I'm just packing up the rest of my stuff so I can leave to go back home. I'm excited to see my family and Donovan, but I've had a lot of fun here and I would love to stay, but I just wanted to tell y'all that this will be the end of the Miami vlogs for now, at least. I will see y'all when I get back home. Look who it is.
I'm history, man. It's been so like...
It's been only a week.
It felt like forever.
Jay literally is like, She's like, can you please come back every month? She's like, every week, you can come back every weekend if you want. She's like, you can move in my second bedroom. Oz is back with my man.
Did you miss me or not?
No, just kidding, I missed you. No, I missed you. And I'm just like wondering, I'm like, is Micah worried about me? Like, is he like, where is Ambus? Where is she? And I hope he's excited to see me today. If he's not, my feelings are gonna be low-key hurt. Like, dang, I've been gone for a whole week, bro. Like, he ain't realized, you know? I'll talk to y'all later.